guys, welcome to another video, of course. And today I'm going to have these 3 Shopkins get ice cream and like a soda and maybe an ice cream sundae. Never know. So let's get into the video. Hi, can we get can we get a soda? Yeah, go get it right now. Can we get a soda? What would you like? I want this ice cream cone, and I want this cupcake. Will that be all for you guys today? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that will be $12. Here you go. Thank you. Bye. I'm gonna go put this in the car. Okay. That's all. Bye. I hope you like my videos as much as I like making them. And make sure you go check in the description down below. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.